Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration for Grabbit. And today we show two devices each log into an account to show sync between different accounts and the storage for different accounts. And they're friends with each other, so they will be sync simultaneously. And by clicking the setting button, you'll see the description for Grabbit. Yeah, here we go to the main page, which is the page where you can see all different events. Now let's create a new group. Add both accounts together, Alice and Bob. The group name will be Hot, which is supposed to be a hot party between Alice and Bob so far. We can add a comment here, just say hi. Now, automatically Alice got the invitation and she's also in the group. You can see both persons are here. By clicking the tips, you can see how to use it. There's urgency, claim, and AI suggestions. Let's begin with AI suggestions here. Just put in Hotpot and it will give us a list of suggested items to purchase. Yeah, you can see now we have the suggestions from AI. Let's add them. Let's see what we want to add. It gives us a lot of items. Let's say tofu, noodles, and maybe beef slices. Yeah, now you can see both items are added, both accounts. Let's try to add urgency for beef and tofu and claim them by Bob, which Bob will purchase these two items. And so for Alice, she'll purchase noodles, and she can also delete an item so that the other account sees that the item's been deleted. If we want to claim that we bought an item, we just claim it, and we can input the value we paid. By claiming it means that you paid it, which is right now I think on the right hand side is Bob, and they split it between Bob and Alice, and now you can see it's $20 between Bob and Alice. Alice will pay Bob because Bob made the purchase, which automatically is synced between two accounts, and by settle up, it will just directly clean up all the bought items to 0. Basically means that you already paid your friend. You can also claim another items, just like what we did earlier, by inputting the value. And this time it's Alice made the purchase and it's shared by Alice and Bob, not just Alice, so no one's sharing it. You can see on the right hand side it's also Alice paid 50, and yeah, no one should pay anyone because it's Alice paid for herself. No one's sharing it, so it's just Alice. Yeah, now we clean it, settle up, and go back. Yeah, let's try to add some new items. Actually, we can add new people to the group. Let's say we have Charlie, David, and Emma all added to the group. On the left-hand side, now Hotpot Party has like 5 people. Great. Let's try to manually add some items. Say we want to have some beef between friends, and on the right-hand side is Bob. Bob made the purchase, and let's go. We can add who's sharing the item. Let's say David doesn't want to eat beef. Let's delete David from the shared buy, so David won't be able to eat it and won't split the bill. Now it's shared by 4 people, and it's paid by Bob. Let's see how does this split work. Yeah, each person will pay Bob $30, which is like split by 4 people, which makes sense. Now we settle up, we'll automatically clean everything, and now we have an empty list again. To manage the groups, there's also a mechanism called archive, which enables us to archive old events. Let's see how it works. Say Hotpot, now it's already happened, we want to archive it. Let's see how it works. So right now, like event archive is all empty, no archive events yet. Let's see how to work on it. You can delete it if you don't want to archive it, but it's not optimal. Let's try to archive first. Yeah, now Hotpot is being archived, and it will show up on both sides. Alice and Bob both sees that Hotpot event disappeared. There's a small lacking, but it's fine. Both are now stored in archive. The meaning of using archive is that you can always bring it back to the group page if you wanted to. Instead of delete it, it will be stored here. Let's now reword it. Now Bob has the hop event back. So does Alice. Yeah, that's the demonstration. I hope you like Grabbit. Thank you so much.